Brad Sterling here with Choice Home Warranty, and this is my heating and air system. I'm sitting in my basement next to my air filter access, and I want to share with you a couple of tips about air filters. First of all, I keep a Sharpie on my return air plenum. One, I used it to write the air filter size on my cover, just so I never forget what size it is or order the wrong size. The other reason is when you have your Sharpie right here, you can actually write the date you changed your filter last. It's a good way to keep up with when you changed your filters, especially if you forget frequently. The number of times or the amount or frequency of changing your filter will depend greatly on outside conditions. In the middle of winter, like it's January right now, my furnace is running like crazy, so I probably need to change it more frequently. In the spring and fall, when it's mild outside, your heating and air systems aren't running that much, you might not need to change them that often. A good rule of thumb is every time you pay your utility bill, check your air filter. If you do not change your air filter, your utility bills will go up. Your system has to work harder when your system is dirty. So as you can see, I pulled this out. I changed my filter last on 12/14 of 24. So it was a month ago. I'm going to check it. Well, does it really look that dirty? Not really. But if you compare it to a new filter, ew, looks kind of nasty. So I'm going to go ahead and change this. Now in the spring, I might go 2-3 months without changing it, but it has been really cold lately. My furnace has been running nonstop, so I'm going to go ahead and change this air filter. Keeping your air filters clean is very important to the performance of your heating and air system. Do it regularly, and again, at minimum, check them frequently to make sure your system is operating at peak performance.